our economy has shifted and more industries and careers have become available to people, one of the things I think a lot about is how do you make sure people see education and see teaching as an interesting, vibrant field to be a part of for the long haul.
Teaching is a very challenging career. With new federal and state programs and legislation constantly being introduced, the American school system has not always been successful at what is most important, giving teachers the support they need. Help us on our mission to make better teachers, better students, and a better world. Share your thoughts with us right now at standardforsuccess.com/innovate.